Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn a story, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आज आपण द फन दे हॅड म्हणजेच त्यांनी मजेत घालवलेला वेळ ही स्टोरी आपण आज अभ्यासणार आहोत. फ्रेंड्स, Isaac Asimov, an American writer, is considered one of the greatest science fiction authors. He wrote more than 500 books covering virtually all areas of knowledge. Friends, this story is an inspiration and a motivating factor that epitomizes the view of a child towards his or her schools. The Fun They Had is a short story that falls in the category of science fiction and has the future year 2157 as its background setting. It takes us into a world where computers will play a major role in educating children. Schools that use paper books and that encourage mutual interaction between teachers and students will stop to exist. Okay, friends, before going to start the story, it's very important to know the meaning of some new words from this lesson. Crinkly means having a lot of thin folds. In Marathi, चुरगाळलेले. Awfully means extremely, अतिशय. Plenty means many or more, means खूप, जास्त. Attic, a room just below the roof of a house, माळ्यावरची खोली. Scornful means showing contempt, तुच्छतादर्शक. Mechanical teacher means a teacher made of machine, यांत्रिक शिक्षक. Sorrowfully means with sadness or unhappily, means दुःखाने. County inspector means a mechanic who repairs mechanical teachers, means यांत्रिक शिक्षक दुरुस्त करणारा. Satisfactory means comfortable, समाधानकारक. And disappointed means dejected or nervous, नाराज, निराश. Friends, now I am going to read the lesson, the story, The Fun They Had. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time." Friends, here Margie, an 11 years old, writes in her diary at night on the page headed 17 May 2157. She writes, "Today Tommy found a real book." This makes Margie reminds of the words that her grandfather used to tell about the printed books when he was a little boy. This book is very old. The pages are yellow and having lots of thin folds. Everything is extreme for her. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, या ठिकाणी आयझॅक आझिमॉव यांनी 2157 या भविष्यकाळातील वर्षामध्ये घडणाऱ्या घटनेविषयी वैज्ञानिक काल्पनिक ही कथा या ठिकाणी मांडलेले आहे. यामध्ये मार्जी नावाची एक 11 वर्षाची एक विद्यार्थिनी, ती दररोज आपली डायरी लिहिते, रोजनिशी लिहिते. एके दिवशी सायंकाळी ती डायरी लिहायला बसते. ती प्रथमतः वरती असं शीर्षक लिहिते 17 मे 1957, आणि त्याखाली ती लिहिते की आज टॉमीला एक खरे पुस्तक सापडले. यावरून, खऱ्या पुस्तकावरून तिला तिच्या आजोबांचे आजोबा यांचे काही शब्द आठवतात की ते लहान असताना त्यांनासुद्धा असेच काही पुस्तकं अभ्यासाला मिळायची, अशी छापलेली पुस्तकं असायची. ते पुस्तक अतिशय जुने होते, चुरगाळलेले पानं, पिवळसर पडलेली पानं, हे सर्व पाहून तिला खूप आश्चर्य वाटत होते. फ्रेंड्स, मार्जी used to write a diary every day at night before going to sleep. So it's a good habit to note all the points, whatever happens during the whole day. It's very good one. It's a good habit. Z said, Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, where did you find it? In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. What's it about? School. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Friends, here Tommy, a 13-year-old boy, means he is Margie's friend, calls the book a waste because the text written in the textbook doesn't move. They are immovable and never change. They both discuss about the book. He finds it in the attic and is about school, but Margie hates school. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, टॉमी, तो 13 वर्षाचा, तिचा मित्र, तो म्हणतो की अशी पुस्तकं वाचणं म्हणजे एक प्रकारचं एक टाईमपास आहे, एक वेळ खाऊपण लक्षण आहे. कदाचित ती पुस्तकं अशी वाचल्यानंतर ते फेकून देत असतील असं तो म्हणतो. तो पुढे असंही म्हणतो की आपल्या टेलिव्हिजन स्क्रीनवरती लाखो पुस्तके आहेत, आपण पाहिजे एवढी पुस्तकं आपण मिळवू शकतो. हे जरी असले तरीही हे पुस्तक मात्र मी फेकून देणार नाही. त्यानंतर मार्जी त्याला विचारते की तुला हे पुस्तक कुठे मिळाले? तो म्हणतो माझ्या घरामध्ये पोटमाळ्यावरती हे पुस्तक मिळाले. ती पुन्हा म्हणते की हे पुस्तक कशाविषयी आहे? तो म्हणतो की हे पुस्तक स्कूल म्हणजे शाळेविषयी आहे. परंतु शाळा, स्कूल हे शब्द ऐकता क्षणी ती एकदम तिरस्कारयुक्त बनते आणि ती म्हणते की आय हेट स्कूल, म्हणजे मला शाळेचा तिटकारा आहे, मला शाळा आवडत नाही. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown, and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Friends, Margie always hates school because she has a mechanical teacher giving her test after test, and her performance is getting worse and worse in geography. So her mother calls the county inspector, means that mechanic, to repair it. The county inspector was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with wires and dials. He smiles and gives her an apple. Margie hopes that her mechanical teacher shouldn't be repaired very soon, but after some time he repairs it. But the part where she hates most is the slot where she has to put homework and test papers. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, मार्जीला शाळेला जायला अजिबात आवडत नसायचं, कारण तिच्या घरातील मेकॅनिकल टीचर म्हणजे यांत्रिक शिक्षक हा तिला खूप अभ्यास द्यायचा, सारखे टेस्ट द्यायचा, त्यामुळे ती पूर्णतः वैतागलेली होती. कालांतरानं तिचे गुणसुद्धा कमी कमी होत होते. तिचा परफॉर्मन्स हा अधिकाधिक वर्स अँड वर्स म्हणजे अधिकाधिक खालावत चालला होता. शेवटी तिच्या आईने काउंटी इन्स्पेक्टरला बोलवले, म्हणजेच संगणक किंवा रोबो दुरुस्त करणाऱ्याला बोलवले. तो एक लहान असा गोल माणूस, ज्याचा चेहरा लाल, सोबत काही टूल्स म्हणजे हत्यारं, काही डायल्स, वायर्स तो त्याच्यासोबत तो घेऊन घरी आल्याबरोबर तो हसतो आणि मार्गीला खायला एक सफरचंद देतो. मार्गीला असं वाटतं की तिचा मेकॅनिकल टीचर लवकर दुरुस्त होऊच नये, परंतु तो काउंटी इन्स्पेक्टर तो मात्र काही वेळानंतर त्याला दुरुस्त करतो व पुन्हा ते मेकॅनिकल टीचर चालू होते. याचा मात्र मार्गीला खूपच कंटाळा येतो. तिला वाटतं की आता पुन्हा मला अभ्यास द्यावा लागणार, पुन्हा परत मला ती टेस्ट द्यावी लागणार, पुन्हा परत या ठिकाणी तिचे टेस्ट चालू होतात आणि थोड्याच वेळात तिचा तो मेकॅनिकल टीचर तिला पडलेले गुणसुद्धा काही क्षणामध्ये काउंट करतो. अशा प्रकारे तिचा मेकॅनिकल टीचर पुन्हा व्यवस्थित चालू होतो. द इन्स्पेक्टर हॅड स्माइल आफ्टर ही वॉज फिनिश्ड अँड पॅटेड मार्जीज हेड. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Friends, the inspector smiles and pats Margie's head. He says to her mother, means to Mrs. Jones, that it's not the fault of her. He says that some parts are geared a little bit. Now everything is okay. He says that Margie's overall performance is satisfactory. But Margie is disappointed because she has been hoping they will take the teacher away altogether, as Tommy's teacher has been taken away for a month. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, तो मेकॅनिकल टीचर पूर्णतः दुरुस्त झाल्यानंतर काउंटी इन्स्पेक्टर त्यांच्या आईला म्हणतात की मार्जीची काहीच यात चूक नाही आहे. त्यामध्ये थोडेसे काही दुरुस्ती होत्या, थोडंसं स्लो होतं, ते व्यवस्थित केलेलं आहे. तिच्या वयानुसार त्याची गती आता ठेवलेली आहे. साधारणतः तिचा परफॉर्मन्स जो आहे तो अतिशय समाधानकारक असा आहे. परंतु हे सर्व ऐकल्यानंतर मात्र मार्जी खूप नाराज होते, कारण तिची अशी इच्छा असते की जसा तिच्या मित्राचा म्हणजे टॉमीचा मेकॅनिकल टीचर एक महिनाभर दुरुस्तीसाठी घेऊन गेले होते दुरुस्तीसाठी, तसा माझाही मेकॅनिकल टीचर दुरुस्तीला न्यावा अशी तिची इच्छा असते. परंतु तसं होत नाही. ते काउंटी इन्स्पेक्टर त्या दुरुस्त करतात, ते व्यवस्थित करतात, त्यामुळे ती खूपच नाराज होते. ओके फ्रेंड्स, we will continue the remaining paragraphs in part 2, but till then you have to go through all the paragraphs which we have discussed for your better understanding. I hope you will go through it again and again and watch this video again and again. Thank you very much.